Welcome back, weavers. Today you will learn how to join areas of colour using the dovetail technique, also known as the warp interlock. Dovetail creates a very strong and slightly serrated looking join and can also be used as a feature in diagonally shaped areas of weaving, as shown here. We will start with a setup row, following on from an area of plain weaving, which finished on the right hand edge of the weaving. Weave back towards the left in plain weave until the point where you wish to start the new colour area. Leave the yarn in the forward position as shown here. Next, take the new colour and starting from behind the second warp thread to the left of the white yarn, thread the new colour from right to left in plain weave and then tap down. You will now have one uncovered warp thread between the two different colours. Now we take the end of the new colour and move it to the back of the weaving, going over the uncovered warp thread. Then secure the tail by weaving it to the front and the back again, as shown here. Next we take the white yarn and weave from left to right behind the same warp thread we wove in front of with the red yarn. This is why the technique is also known as the weft interlock, because it involves creating a join by wrapping two different coloured weft threads around a common warp thread. We now continue weaving back towards the right edge of the weaving in plain weave, making sure the join is not too tight. Next, we pick up our new colour again and weave back towards the right until we go behind the common interlock warp thread again. Then, continuing with the same red colour, we weave back towards the left hand edge of the colour area in plain weave again. This technique repeats by continuing to weave 2 rows of the old colour and then 2 rows of the new colour, so that the colours overlap the same warp thread in an alternating pattern. If you use this technique with more than 2 colour areas, you need to work all 3 colour areas in succession from the left hand to the right hand edge of the colour blocks, and then back the other way. This will ensure that the colours interlock correctly on every row of weaving. As noted before, this technique creates one of the strongest joins in tapestry weaving and is often used in Navajo weaving to create lovely textured edges on diagonally slanting shapes. You may also wish to mark the warp thread where the interlock occurs. This mark will be completely covered as your weaving progresses. Another variation on this technique is to weave 4 rows with each colour area to create a more defined serrated edge, as shown in this picture. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in learning more about weaving, please visit and subscribe to my Weave with Pat YouTube channel. And for unique yarns and crafting ideas, visit patriciacantosdesign.com and my Etsy shop.